Rosemary is an annual herb in New Jersey. It cannot survive the winter. If you grow rosemary in containers, you can bring it indoors in winter. It is winter hardy in zones 8 or above. Basil also is an annual herb sensitive to cold weather. Basil leaves are used to garnish soups, salads, and pasta dishes. It is also a key ingredient in pasta sauce and pesto. Lemon balm is a perennial herb in the mint family. It is used as a flavoring in ice cream and herbal teas. Oregano also is a perennial herb in the mint family, widely used in Italian cuisine, mostly used with grilled or roasted vegetables, fish, and meat. This is chive which I have for few years. The chive blooms are also edible. We can use them in salads. Chive also is perennial. In colder climates, they die back in winter and new leaves appear in spring.